Alright, let's learn lung sounds together. Save this video so you don't forget. Sound number 1. So this is normal vesicular breath sounds. The inspiratory phase is a lot longer than the expiratory phase. Alright, this is sound number 2. So this is bronchial breathing. These are harsh breath sounds heard in inspiration and expiration and are usually caused by things like consolidation, heard best over the trachea. This is sound number 3. These are fine inspiratory crackles. These can be heard in things like pulmonary fibrosis and are heard best in the lower zones of the lungs. And finally, sound number 4. So this is coarse crackles. The difference between fine crackles and coarse crackles is this is a bit more low pitched and they've got many causes including things like pneumonia.